Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin, cleanse and apply a light moisturizer so products sit evenly. Next, pick corrector shades based on contrast. Peach or orange cancels blue under eyes, green neutralizes redness. Once done, dispense a tiny amount, roughly 0.5 to 1 pump, and place pea-sized dots where needed. Use a brush for precision on small spots and your ring finger to warm product under the eye. This increases blendability and prevents pilling later. You now apply and blend with intent. Start with thin layers so you can build coverage without looking heavy. After dabbing corrector, tap blend outward from the center using your ring finger or a dense synthetic brush. The warmth helps melt the product into skin. Make sure to feather edges to avoid visible lines. Once the corrector neutralizes the discoloration, apply concealer matched to your skin tone over it to unify color. And lightly press, don't drag, to keep the underlying cancellation intact. You finish by setting the area to prevent movement. Use a small amount of translucent or skin tone powder and press it in with a fluffy brush or damp sponge so the corrector stays put. Once set, a light mist of setting spray locks everything and brings back natural finish. If you notice creasing or heaviness, do not add more product. Instead, gently blot and use a tiny bit of damp sponge to redistribute. If issues persist, switch to thinner layers and reapply sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.